Good morning. Oh man, I am just out of bed. We just rolled out of bed. It's Valentine's Day today, I think. We should have sent flowers to all of our ladies that are MC affiliates, but I guess I'll do that next year. Let me get the coffee going, and let me get some coffee so we can kick it. Happy Valentine's Day. Grab your bitch extra today. And call her a bitch. Be like, hey, bitch. That's a intimate thing. Not in public. Don't call your girl a bitch in public, but grab her, say, bitch. You my bitch. I'm gonna try that on my girlfriend. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna be like, bitch. You my bitch. We're gonna see what happens. Alright, let me get some coffee going. Woohoo! Goddamn, I told you I was fucking bullish. I told you I was bullish as fuck. This shit doesn't happen that often. It's only been a few times in the past 10 years. Only a few times in the past 10 years. This might be the last fucking bull run. This might be the last chance that we get. Until this shit's ruined by being just another fucking financial asset. This could be the last chance we get. So, fuck, I need to blow my nose and get some coffee. I'll be right back. All right, we got the coffee being brewed. We're just feeling good today, folks. We're feeling good. God damn. We're at 51,500. How high did this shit get? When did this shit happen? When did this shit happen? Fuck, I went long. How long have I been asleep? God damn. I don't send my trades to Discord anymore. Bro. Bro, listen. January was a tough month. If I don't feel like sending my trades to 10,000 fucking people for them to either win it or lose it, you guys have Market Cypher. That's all you need. You don't fucking need me. Man, let me get a few under my belt first. You know what it's like putting out a trade for fucking thousands of people to follow you? To a win, to a loss? I don't want to put out any trade that has any chance of losing, bro. Shit. What happened, man? How long have I been asleep? Let's find that out first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn, this happened in 2 hours. This was 2 hours, this fucking pump. 49.7 to fucking 51.6. Oh, man. This just happened. This just fucking happened. Okay, hang on. Let's see. Boom, baby. Boom. Oh, my God. We are in free space right now. We're going to 57,000. We're going to 57,000. We're going to 57,000. No, I can't turn up the volume, bro. The volume is as high as it. Look at the fucking volume. The volume is as high as it's going to get, bro. The volume is as high as it's gonna get, bro. Good morning, Hong de Long. Yeah, it's good to see you. You woke up way richer, man. Excellent. Oh, you closed all your trades? Oh, damn. That's why you're asking. That's why you're asking why CF and fucking posting trades, man. Oh. Care money don't make no money. Oh, man, fuck you guys. Then just turn it up, bro. Okay, hang on. Because when I do turn it up, hang on, I'm turning it up right now. When I do turn it up, it gets all crackly. Fuck. I hate this shit. Why is my microphone back down to 8%? Why does it fucking do that? Why does it keep changing my fucking microphone down to 8%? There. Is that better now? I don't know why it keeps changing my shit all the way down to fucking 8%. Ugh. It's Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Grab your bitch a little harder today. And say, bitch, I know it's a holiday pretty much every other fucking week. There's some reason we gotta do something, and some reason I gotta buy you some shit. But today, you know, today's a little different. Man, I was having a good time last night. I was deep asleep. I was having a real good time, man. Man, time is short, man. Time in life is short. Grab your bitch today and tell her that she is your bitch. Bitch. Hey, bitch. Come on, can you make me a sandwich like I know like you like? I know you like how I like you make it. Put your ass in my face, bitch. Put your ass in my face. Alright, let me get my coffee, man. When I say I just rolled out of bed, I mean I just rolled out of bed. I rolled out of bed, saw the price, and I'm over here clicking buttons trying to start the stream, clicking wrong buttons. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Grab your bitch today. Grab your bitch today. We need to make that a song. Grab your bitch today. Oh. All right. Man. Oh man, now I can feel myself rejuvenating. I got my coffee now. I feel like I feel like Popeye. I fucking live. I swear I live off this shit. I'm gonna live off it. I'm gonna die off it. Nice, Alexo Crypto. 15-minute trigger wave. Man, where did I get it on this shit? What was this? 49.6? Is that my entry? 49.4? Let me wake up a little bit. Maybe we can get Alexo Crypto on. But we're kind of wilding out right now, bro. I'm just waking up. I did not FOMO after closing the trade. Nah, the price dropped a little bit, and I got in. And the price was going up. This is what I remember. I remember price was going up, and it looked like it was going to continue to. I don't remember much else. For the 2 hour. Look at that. Look at that. It's bull time, baby. Yeah, no, I didn't FOMO out and FOMO back in. I was out of my trade. I wasn't in a trade. I just got in last night. I got in yesterday before I went to bed. Okay. Let me blow my nose. Hang on. All right, I'm feeling like Popeye. Oh. These are the best trades. When you enter the trade and then you go to bed or you go away for a long time and then you come back and it's whack. These are the best trades. These are the good times. These are the good times. Wow. We're blowing right through. We're blowing right through. Would I consider shorting? Hell no. Hell no. I mean, I know some people shorted 50K. Hopefully they got out of that. Pepe flying. Boy, tell me it is. Tell me it is. Oh, it's at 12. It's all right. It's alright. Should be doing better. Should be doing better. Man, why are you thinking about shorting, bro? Stop. You're thinking too hard. Thinking too fucking hard. Thinking too hard. Fuck 50K. 50K ain't shit. This has only happened 3 times, fucking like 3 times since since Bitcoin begat. It's only been at this situation 3 fucking times. Begat. For 10 years, a century. Fuck, you guys finally get in. At the beginning of a bull run, you talk about shorting. You cut it off. All right, I'm back. We never hit all-time high before halving, buddy. I have my spot bags filled, but I'm a little short here. If we pump through 50K, so be it. I'm out again. Try to catch a nice break. Listen, bro. We just did a never before never. I don't give a fuck about all-time highs. You guys are thinking too hard, man. You guys are thinking way too hard, because this last cycle was the first time that we didn't have a go back down to the previous high from the swing top of the fucking swing low from 69K bullshit. And that happened. Everyone said, even the Moon Boy in Dubai said so. Well, we've never gone back to a previous high, the previous high. And we did. We went below 20K. So suck on these big old balls. Actually, no, I'm not telling you to do that. I don't mean that. But what I'm saying is, fuck the past. Fuck. It's never done, or it's never done this before, because there's always a first time for everything. Listen, you want to know something? Oh, I can feel my powers coming back to me. I feel this coffee clearing up my nose. Where's the trade? Oh, here's the trade. Listen, I'm going to tell you guys something. This could be the last bull run for crypto, for Bitcoin. This could be the last one. You know, everyone wanted the devil to dance and the ETFs and all this shit. Boy, if you better make what you can off your life off this shit, because this is probably going to be the last one. Then it just becomes just like everything else. It just becomes a fart in the wind. You said that last run. No, I didn't. No, I fucking didn't. No, I didn't. Prove that shit. Prove that I said the last bull run was the last run. I know I didn't say that. Well, I did say it could be 69K top forever. I did say that. So maybe, I guess you could be right about that. I guess you're right. I did say that. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Man, I did not say that. I didn't say that. Maybe I did. Yeah, I said that shit. Yeah, I said that shit. But, 69K top forever. That was kind of a different theory, though. That was kind of a different theory. That theory was like, it doesn't have to be Bitcoin. Number one, MCI WorldCom was the first. MCI WorldCom was the first. And look what happened to then. You know what I'm saying? So just because you're first doesn't mean you're going to stay first. But I don't mind being wrong about something. The idea was just not to be a fucking FOMOing retard, At least I sold the top pretty close to it. Pretty close to it. Today's the first day on Valentine's Day that if you didn't sell, if you sold at 50K and you still haven't bought back in, then you're an idiot. I like my coffee with a little bit of milk. Man, I thought everyone hated Solano. Now everyone loves it. What's that shit at? Damn, 117. Good for them. Damn, 25K. Good shit. Listen. The 3-day. This was, it's such a rare occasion when the money flow gets up here. There. Okay, so it's okay, so let's even just take today. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this is back. Okay, the big one is $1,000 at 5, 6, and I guess 7 when it first started. It doesn't count. It's only happened 6 times before. No, 7. When it was at $12. Sorry, that's why I don't turn my microphone up. That's why everyone complains I'm so quiet, because it starts to rip and tear. Tron's a lot cheaper than ETH. Tron is #1. Well, bro, no, this is a weekly. Oh, no, it's a 3-day. Okay. 3-day. Look, you saying it looks like it was close to the top? I don't think so. Listen, man, the tops don't run that long, man. Tops don't run that long. Close to the top. This wasn't close to the top. Here, we'll even move it here for today. Close to the top. We were just getting started, bro. We were just getting started here. What about here? This one curved off a little bit. There you go. Okay, that one had a little bit left in her. This has been hella thick, you know? I mean, this technically started back here. God dang. This started back here and then came down just a little bit and then back up. But that's not how it is today. That's not how it is today. We came all the way down into the red and then came back up. You know? Yeah, I mean, I use a headset, man. Listen, I probably have 5 fancy microphones in my graveyard here of microphones. And every time I open the box and I try to set it up and I can't get the shit to work. Normally I buy $20 headsets because they sound the best, but this one is like a couple $100. My girl got it for me. Two chicks at the same time. Well, tonight's Valentine's Day, so you're just gonna have your bitch at one at a time. To use an XLR mic. What's an XLR mic? And can you just plug it into your computer? Time to send out the Geek Squad. Man, did I tell you that's what my grandpa used to say? For the past 3 years, he's thought his internet didn't work. And every time I asked, said, Pop, do you guys have internet over there? He'd go, Well, we sent it out to the Geek Squad. Yeah, pop filter. I don't have a pop filter. I have a pencil neck filter. A pencil neck filter. Man, I gotta repeat myself a million times. What about the Tia trade, man? That shit got stopped out. I lost $5 grand. Man, what's that shit at now? Did that shit come up? I'm done with these shit coins, man. These stupid shit coins are retarded. Okay, look, it's still at $19, man. Fuck that coin. This coin sucks, bro. This coin sucks, bro. It's too risky to be trading that shit with fucking leverage. Too risky to be trading with leverage. Hang on. Hang on a sec here, folks. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. Woo, Nelly. Have a good day at work, bruh. You keep looking at higher time frames, it's gonna show always problem. Listen, bro, eventually, of course, it's gonna come down some. But man. Yeah, the tech is always solid until someone rugs your ass, man. All these coins gotten rugged before. Don't tell me about no tech. How do you know what the tech? How do you know what the tech is, bro? Do you know someone that works there? There is no tech in blockchain. It's a bunch of shit. Yeah, there is no such thing as utility. It's a utility token. It keeps people from being able to just convert their money back into real dollars. Instead they have our shit token. That's the utility. It gatekeeps and fucks people so we can keep all the money. That's a utility. That's why RH exists. Wait, what's RH? Richard R? I don't know. What is that? And I just trade all day? What's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? You don't think I could have made a shitcoin and just taken everyone's... I could have just made fucking shitcoin out of thin air and been a fucking billionaire too. I had so many times that I could have just made a shitcoin. I didn't even pull the trigger on PDD NFTs, bro. Because I don't think I should just make up money and fucking take everyone's money. I'd be a lot richer. If I wanted to come up with my own shit token, say there's some fucking utility and some shit NFT that ends up going down 90%. I don't care how cute the fucking pencil neck turkey is. Man, you're welcome. Thank you for saying that. I don't know. Sometimes I kind of regret it. Sometimes I think I should have made a shitcoin. Sometimes I'm like, man, if I made it. I see there's some other guys in this space and they're really balling. I mean, they're really balling. I'm like, damn, I could have had that. Like, oh. You know? I wonder if they take care of their families the way I do. I wonder if they take care of their friends and families the way I do. You know? I think I said this is some FF10 lo-fi shit. What's up, Billy? How you been, brother? I would love to be president of my country. Man, but some of these guys fleece really good and they still have a bunch of believers. They still, just because, I mean, the people that are in early are loud, you know? People that lose don't like coming out and saying that they lost that often. You know, it's embarrassing, you know? But the people who won, you know, when you make money off something, you're like, hell yeah, this is great. This guy's great. As long as you make money for a handful of people in the beginning, you can kind of afford to fuck most people over. Why didn't I put more on the line? Yeah, I should have. Shit. I fucking just threw this in and went to bed, man. Yeah. Thanks, Steve Bick. Appreciate the $20. You guys know where it goes. Goes to charity. Goes to kids' families with cancer and fucking veteran families that have dealt with some shit. Karma is real. It always comes back on their ass. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, I think karma's been kind of real with me. But there are some people out there, man, I'm like, damn, they really got it all. They got a lot. Where's Ethan? And all they did was just make up a coin. Say there's some utility. There ain't no utility. But oh well, listen, it's all good. Let the bygones be bygones. Bygones be bygones. It's funny. I was at an event not too long ago, and had an event where you needed a wristband for some VIP shit. And the ticket lady was like, did you steal this? And I was like, you mean like I stole this, bitch? I just showed her my watch. That's what I didn't do. That's what I wanted to make. You mean like I stole this, bitch? Fuck on out of here. That means my fucking camouflage is working, bitch. Did I steal this? Thank you for letting me know my camouflage is working. Hell yeah. Market Cypher's got real utility, baby. We got real utility in this bitch. We got a tool belt. Tools are utility. A drill, that's utility. Yeah, she's like, let me turn your wristband around because it looks like you stole this. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? What do you mean? She goes, make sure you don't cut your wristband or it's invalid. I'm like, is this cut? She said no, and I said, okay, well, what the fuck? Did I steal Rockin' Brainer? Yeah, right. Man, that fat black motherfucker. Man, he saw me presentation, Market Cypher. That dude's a fool. Da Vinci's a little bitch. Da Vinci's a bitch. And he he plays the old stupid card. That dude is so fucking lame. Oh, I'm gonna present my granny. Sell on a double, granny. Then tries to steal my indicator and act like he didn't know. And then comes out and admits that he did know. Boy, stay away from that fat Da Vinci fuck. That milk dud motherfucker. No wonder why his wife fucking two-timed him. And everyone that knows him hates him. Or has switched on him because he's a bitch. Dude's a fucking weirdo. That guy's a fucking weirdo. He's on some weird stuff. Weird. That guy is weird. BitBoy lost everything though. So I understand what you're saying. Actually, to be honest, I think it's the same person that coded it. Cause I can tell. Cause you can tell when the way someone codes something. Like you can just tell. I think it's the same guy that did both of them. But I'll give BitBoy a pass, because BitBoy actually helped me, and he lost everything. That's all right. I don't mind. I don't mind BitBoy. Da Vinci though, he's a fuck. But I don't mind with BitBoy. He lost everything. But I'm pretty sure it's the same guy. I'm pretty sure the same guy approached him. And that guy is a fucking loser, too. That guy's a weirdo, too. Yeah, the friend of the moon. Yeah, that Da Vinci. Not the master painter. I don't know why that guy calls himself Da Vinci. He ain't nothing close to it. Bro, change your name. Change your name to Stealing Fat Ball Motherfucker. Can't trust a motherfucker. Relax, dude. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Tell you what. You build something and tell me how you act when other people try to steal it and do or try to like copy you. And then at first pretend like they didn't know, even though they saw you in like a person-to-person presentation, and then tried playing dumb, and then admitted that they were playing dumb. Oh man, the Da Vinci meme contest was hilarious. I just listen. I'm gonna play whatever music I want to play. I just rolled out of bed. I'm waking up here. We're in profit. Let me tell the goddamn stories, man. Chill. Man, when we were in Bali, man, everyone thought that dude was a joke. Everyone thought that dude was a joke. Hey, to be honest, that's none of our business, man. I mean, it's. I really don't talk about no fucking family shit on my channel. It's none of our business. We can talk about market cipher shit and people trying to copy it and steal it, whatever. That's fine, but I mean, that's just none of our business. You don't know. Then leave, bitch. Yeah, no, Da Vinci, nah, that guy's not good. That guy's a weirdo. Yeah, it's super known they don't give credit. And I told him he tried playing stupid. I'm like, bro, I don't even want to go into it. We don't even need to go into it. Yeah, he's on the flight list. And you can do whatever you want. I'm saying everyone's a free man. I told him, I said, bro, you can do whatever you want, but I'm just telling you that, you know what I'm saying. Oh, I tried playing stupid at first. I'm like, bro, in Bali, I gave a whole presentation on market cipher, and it was the longest presentation because Tone Vase tried poking holes through me the whole time. I thought it was great. I had a great time. Yeah, anyways. Who else are weirdos? Oh, man, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. It's all right. We don't need to keep going over it. But, no, me and Tone are cool. Yeah, we don't need to bring negativity in. It's all good. But Yes, sir. Man, as long as we stayed over 45,000 and as long as we close this candle up here, that's a pretty damn good sign. Zone in target. 58,000's target next. And before that, what is it, 53? Anyways, I don't know. That's pretty much it, man. Listen, you guys are just hanging out with old CF on Valentine's Day while I'm waking up drinking coffee. When is the halving? What is it, April, May? I don't know, I don't know. I used to know what Bitcoin was going to do way in advance, a good few times. Even when it was back at 6,000 to 8,000, I said April, May 2022, 45,000, 2 years in advance, bam. But now, I mean, to be honest, I couldn't tell you. The only thing I can say is I'm hella bullish right now. I am bullish right now. Why is the liquidation price so low? What, it's 44? What do you mean? I don't know. I don't know. What's low to you? You must be doing crazy leverage. Yeah, I guess that accidental close wasn't so bad. The price ended up coming back down pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it right here. This is where I got it because I saw this coming up. I remember looking at the chart. What was it, the 30 minute? I remember looking at a chart and going, damn, this shit looks good. Maybe it wasn't that low. It's been kind of a while. Yeah, you look at these RSIs. Money flow. Big green dots. This was easy, basic strategy right here. Menacing has plowed right through. Just fucking plowed right through, man. Yeah, no one can really say shit about Market Cipher, man, because, man, proof's in the pudding. Proof's with the people, and the pudding tastes good. And, man, these people try copying my ass so damn much. Happy Valentine's Day, Randy. MTC forever, man. MTC forever, man. Till you're old and wrinkly. Did anyone remember on the I think the first Fox News Miss Teen Crypto was representing all of us on, and he said, "What happens when you're not a teenager anymore?" And she said, "I'ma represent Bitcoin till I'm old and wrinkly." That shit was so funny, dude. MTC, man, she plays an important role, man, because she's not a weirdo. She's not a weirdo. She knows how to carry herself. That girl's carried herself in a lot of situations, around all different situations that I've seen. You know, all types of different situations. Yeah, sometimes, yeah. I mean, that's when I lose too, bro. When I'm like, I don't think this is a big deal. When this is, I don't think it's a big deal. Then I lose. Nah, you're normal. In a good way. You know what it is? You're real. That's what it is. You real. Am I coming on the show at 9:45? When is that? 30 minutes away. You want me to come on the show? Is it when is it? When is it? In 30 minutes? Man, I'll come on the show for a little bit. Man, Miss Teen Crypto, you ain't ever heard of Miss Teen Crypto? She's Miss Teen Crypto. She embodies all of the good in us and none of the bad. She's like your child. When you begat a child, you go, this baby's gonna be all of the good in me and none of the bad. I've always been real. It's kept me broke. It can. Boy, it can. Okay, if you're real and you want to find success, you have to find something that you love. And you gotta share it, bro. You have to enrich other people's lives. That's what I prayed for, man. I've told my story 100 times. And it's crazy, man. It is true. Got on my knees, prayed to Jesus. I said, show me a way that I can help people all around the world make money that really need it. And I knew that if I make other people money, then I myself will be enriched. And boom, as soon as I got up from that prayer, I went to my computer and found Profit Trailer. A fucking trade bot program. I saw a Crypto Crow video, was watching those. Got the program, started working with it, just went all the way in and thought I could do better videos. And let me go fill up my coffee. I'll be right back, folks. All right, what did I miss? Did I lose everything? CMTC. Maybe we can hop on. Send me like a link on Twitter or something. Back in the Wild West, crypto used to just be Tone Vays, and Richard Hart. Shit. Man, it's crazy. Like the 2017 inbreds, you know, we're like considered OGs now. How's Chainlink doing? All right. I'll pop in when I pop in. I'll make sure I pop in though for a little bit. It's in 30 minutes. Okay, we got a little time. Yeah, we got a little time. Man, look at this 12-hour. What? Oh, this Chainlink 12-hour. This shit's probably about to pump after Bitcoin. Bitcoin already pumped. What does Bitcoin look like on the 12-hour? Interesting. Interesting, man. Inwardly curved. Man, this money flow really bounced off that zero line. I mean, we're in a bull run, man. I mean, God, we've been going up for a while now. Thank you. I hope you're all successful too. I hope you guys, you know, I get happy for most people's success. Happy for most people's success. Yay! Bro, we're going on MTC show in like 30 minutes. Man, I'd love a TV show. Yo,
what's good, man?
We're live right now.
I see. I saw. You know what's crazy, bro? Is my phone doesn't get notifications that you're going live. Like, I think.
Dude, everybody says that, and so I think I need to buy some subscribers to break my 200K shell, because just like when they had me locked at 30K, I was stuck at 30K. I paid for like 5K subs just to break that glass ceiling, and it fucking worked. And so I think I'm gonna have to buy like 5 or 10,000 subs, because I've just been stuck at 200,000 subs. No one gets notified of my lives anymore. And it's like, so I think I have to buy some subs to break that ceiling again.
Juice it a little bit. Yeah. Just juice it like 1 or 2%. There's nothing wrong with that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Do you want to go on MTC show in like 20-25 minutes with me?
Sure.
But bro, man, I went long, bro. Went to sleep. I woke up. I was like, fuck, did I miss Valentine's Day? Like, my girl's gonna be pissed. We have reservations and shit. Because it was like dark out. You know, I don't know if it's morning or if it's nighttime. And I didn't have my phone on me. My phone was in my office. So I ran to my office in distress.
My girlfriend, and I just proposed. You know that Crown song, bro?
Which one?
Crown's putting out something today for Valentine's Day, but it's like, you know, his song where he talks about like cryptocurrency, my girlfriend, and I just proposed. Like, so he's dropping some shit today.
All right. Yeah, cryptocurrency, my girlfriend, and just what does it say? And cryptocurrency, my girlfriend, and
I just proposed. And I just proposed.
Yeah, and I just proposed.
Yeah.
Man, let me pull that shit up. I need to find that shit. Hang on.
Yeah, he's got some AI art of like Satoshi Nakamoto's AI generated girlfriend. She's like waging with like a Bitcoin tattoo on her chest.
Here it is. Oh, hang on, man. That's the short version.
Crown Chakra was like ahead of his time. Like he gave us so many pieces to the puzzle before we were even ready to put it together, man. Like I can't even describe how grateful I am for Crown Chakra.
Crypto girlfriend. Okay, let me look up crypto girlfriend. Man, these are shorts though. These aren't the full song on YouTube.
Well, he's dropping some shit today, so we could just wait a little bit. But he's also on Spotify. His song, his shit's aged with time too. Like it's aged like fine wine. Some of his stuff like has gotten better the more I listen to it.
Man, it's timeless, man. That's what we call timeless. That's that Memphis shit. Timeless.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. I just rolled out of bed, bro. I'm all fucked up. You know, I just woke up and I saw these profits, man.
Nice, dude. Hell yeah. What are you at here? Damn. You're up fucking.
Yeah, another 50K.
Damn.
Man, I coulda.
Just cracking those big home runs, bro.
Who is this? This is Flop and Groper, my brother, aka
What you
Flop and
talking about?
Groper.
Who is this? Who are you?
Yeah, who the fuck is you? Who is you? Man, no, it's all good, man. Did you just tune in?
I did. Are you talking to me? Or
Yeah, I was talking to you. Yeah. We've been straight
yeah,
We've had a good time.
I rolled out of bed a couple hours ago. Like I was up really early. Went to the donut shop.
Are you feeling better?
Yeah, man. I'm not. Yeah, I feel better.
All right, good. Hang on, let me fill up my coffee. I'll be right back.
How you guys in the chat's doing? Ask the Flop and Groper a question. You know, Randy, I always get a donut when I go to this place, but this morning I just got a black coffee and an egg sandwich. I was in grind mode. I know if I ate a donut, I would have lost energy by this point in the day already. So, you know, if you were here with me, I would have had the energy to splurge on some donuts. But you know, I've been living a life of scarcity over here. I'm trying to get lean, trying to stay disciplined and shit. So it's those little decisions that add up. You know what I'm saying? So I like going to my favorite donut shop because I like supporting them. But I probably shouldn't be eating fucking donuts every day. Do I trade as much as my bro? Hell no. In fact, I'm still waiting for my Paloo ID and shit, and like I've had to like fight through a whole quagmire just to be able to trade, because trading is harder than it used to be. So yeah, it's a big part of what I've been going through, working up to the live trading debut. The secret weapon. I don't know much about the secret weapon. I'm not the mastermind behind CF's secret weapon.
Man, are they trying to pull information out of you when I'm
Yeah,
gone?
man. Yeah, they were they were interrogating me, bro. Although I asked them to ask me questions.
His secret weapon's coming out when I say it is, but it's coming soon. It's the new year. We're getting back on it, man. It's the end of the year is always tough. There's fucking holidays, birthdays. So yeah. Man, this thing might pump again, bro. This link looks like it's ready to go on the 12-hour, bro. The link looks good.
Man, I was hoping it would go down so I didn't have to do as many push-ups, dude. I started a Bitcoin push-up challenge that I wish I didn't. I told everyone I would do fucking the price of BTC divided by 1,000 push-ups every day, and until it reached 100K, and yeah, so now I have to actually stick with this shit. So
oh man,
oh, it's a make or break kind of fucking thing. I am bullish on Bitcoin, but
yeah, man, this shit's pumping again, man. This shit's pumping again. Fuck, I should go in more. I wanna do a link fucking long. Oh man, I'm gonna have to increase leverage.
That's crazy. We had a little crackdown to like 48.3, you know, yesterday or whatever, and then yeah, that shit popped up quick.
I don't know if I'm alone.
Bull market things.
God damn.
Has anyone in the chat's been watching my VWAP videos? I got some videos on Cypher SR on my Nick Cypher YouTube channel if you guys want to learn how to use it.
I think I'm thinking about entering a link long.
Oh man. You thinking about that link, man?
Yeah. I'm kind of honestly, these altcoins are scary to leverage though, man. It can fucking whip against you so quick. The higher time frames look better than the shorter time frames.
It does have a little uptrend going right now.
Maybe I
just had a wick down. Just had like a wick down to some support.
Maybe I'll just stay where I'm at.
Yeah, only take the trade if it's speaking to you, bro. Don't be trading.
I mean, it's speaking.
Brokers,
I don't know.
you
It's
know,
talking.
brokers want you to
what
trade,
it's
you know.
fucking saying. It's saying it. Well, just doing a little shook and a jive. Man, you haven't been on a live stream in fucking years.
Man,
everyone's wondering where you've been.
If you scheduled a live stream at a regular hour, then man, maybe I would have been on here sooner. But I just happened to roll out of bed.
Around, but you just
same
didn't
time
want
you
to
did
come
this
on.
time.
I understand. You've been, doing your own thing.
I've always wanted to be on here. But yeah, man, I mean, there was a lot of fucking work I had to do to come back in a meaningful way, you know. I always take
I'm long. I'm fucking doubling down. I'm long in Bitcoin again. I'm adding to this. Fuck it. Fuck it.
The tortoise beats the hare, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, now we're at 1.5 mil. Man, we only added 300K. Now our entry's at 50,072. All right. MTC show might be on. Hang on. I told her like we'd go on MTC.
What's our job on her show? Just be like weathermen, or?
No, I don't know. Just go on there and follow her lead. Okay, her show starts in like 10 minutes.
All right, I'll go practice my flopping groper lines.
Let me I don't know. She's gonna have to like send us a link to actually hop in the like a chat or something. Okay, she just wants us to come in the chat. Okay. All right. Okay, so we don't have to. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Fuck, I should have upped the leverage even more. I thought she wanted me to actually come on the channel and speak. Okay, good.
No,
so I
bro,
don't have to actually say anything.
She just wants you to see, bro.
You know, I was like, fuck, you know, Market Cypher should send flowers to like our female affiliates. We only have like 2, Randy and fucking Wendy, and they rhyme. We should send flowers to Wendy with Randy's name on it and Randy with Wendy's name. Be like, oh fuck.
Is she live yet?
All right, word. Thanks, Randy. Okay, good. Yeah, well, I'll be in the chat. Okay, good. I'm glad I don't have to speak. I don't have to speak.
She deserves more followers, though. Like, she definitely is one of the YouTubers out here. Like, she streams like every weekday, and actually helps onboard like new people. She's like
Dude, she was on Fox News twice, maybe even more, and
Yeah.
she goes to high schools and shit.
She could teach a baby how to get into crypto.
You just fucking type in an email. Those were the good old days. An email was all you needed.
Yeah, it's cool you mentioned Dr. Slater, Leonard, because I have actually been talking to Dr. Slater, and I'm doing a spotlight with her tomorrow. So,
Oh, nice.
yeah, and she's actually got a partner in crime, Bonnie and Clyde situation over there at TP Mint. I've been kind of seeing what she's been doing. So yeah, she's been making, like, crafting working strategies with Market Cypher and trading Forex. And she started her own crew, and it's like a private, closed-off kind of crew.
All right.
And she's got help and all that. So I'm gonna give her a spotlight tomorrow.
Okay, good. Yeah. We need more Forex. The Forex people are always looking for more friends in MST. We got Forex people. They do really well.
Yo, I'll be right back.
Man, the price goes down a little bit. Everyone's turning. It looks super bearish. Come on, man. What are you guys talking about? Shit's taking a long time. Price has been going straight up. Looks super bearish. It's gonna go down eventually. Who said Market Cipher was bearish on higher time frames? Where are you guys pulling this shit out of your ass? Where are you guys making this shit up? The 3-day has been the most bullish since it's only happens at fucking 4 times in its life. What are you guys fucking talking about? What are you talking about? What are you guys talking about? This looks fine to me. Shit, I said I was hella bullish on my last video. It was the one before that. It was like 3 videos ago where I was wrong on the daily. Man, stop coming, bro. You're being a little too fucking negative, bro. Don't be so fucking negative in here. I'm giving you a warning, bro. You come in here talking stupid, being a fucking weirdo. Don't be fucking so negative in this chat. You're about to get clipped. To put on fucking slow mode to stop some of you people.
Yo, I'm just making a coffee, another coffee.
Yeah, I guess I can go over the. I mean, I've explained it 100 times in the past 3 videos, but I'll do it again. It's all good because there's people that are joining. No big deal. Listen, the 3-day, the money flow. This is where we first pegged it right here. I mean, now it's here, but we can even do it off here. The last, it's only this money flow in the 3 days only been at this level 4 times in its history, and pretty much every time it goes straight up. I mean, there's a couple when the money flow is down here, where it'll go sideways for a couple candles and then go up. But let's go with the money flow where it is now, right here. Let's go back in history. The first time that it hits there, okay, boom, here's one, boom, right there. Okay, so this is the last time we were at these levels was in December 2020. Boom, boom. What about the time before that? fucking move it over here. Boom. Okay, this one took another candle or so. And even when the money flow from a few days ago was, you know, like right here. A little bit and then boom. Boom. That's 2 out of 2. Back here, first time it hits it. What happened here? Okay, boom. Boom. I mean, that was the beginning of the fucking dinosaur run. Bro, I'm putting you in fucking timeout, dude. How did we see it so early? I mean, I've been saying it for damn near a week now. I don't know. You just see it right. It's been here. Been here. I mean, when you have a higher time frame showing you, you know, a trend or a direction, then you fucking look for a lower time frame entry. You know? Where were we here? Was it here? 40. No, what was our original entry? It was down back here.
I had to make another coffee for myself.
The original entry was 49.4. And we just added to it, so it moved it up here. But I got in yesterday. What time frame is this? How long have?
So you went into this because you had a previously established long bias.
Man, I slept for a long time. I slept for a good like 12 hours, 13 hours. I needed it.
Good, bro. Yeah, sleep's so important.
Yeah, this shit was looking good back there. Oil looks good too. I like the way oil's looking. Fill up your tanks.
What's the ticker for oil, if I want to check?
It was 70 something, 76 a barrel. And
what's the symbol? Is it just oil?
CL. There's a bunch of different ones. I look up CL, light crude oil. Just CL1 exclamation. You can just type CL, it'll pop up right there. If you type CL, it's like a toothpaste, and then there's oil. Oil on the daily. Look at that. Look at that puppy. Big green dots. Momentum coming up. RSI is nice and tight. Oil's going to be coming up here. Again, what was it, like 20% over the next? Yeah, 20% over the next couple months. Oil should go up 20% in the next couple months.
Got that rising macro support line. Yeah, I love that call, dude. That's a good one.
Yeah. Hell,
you guys got to make sure you like
the
the stream.
Potential for 60%. Go back up to 120 barrel.
CF is shadow banned, guys. You gotta share him, like the stream, comment. Like as a community, the Market Cipher community needs to break free of bull market institutional suppression. Like the channels need to start growing again. We need to start pumping. You know what I'm saying? Like start fighting. You guys gotta fight. We gotta start fighting again.
Okay, natural gas has been looking like shit. That's just been, I mean, all the different natural gases, my God. Okay, well, it's almost at a bottom here, kind of. Hello, little boy. What can I do for you? All right, okay. He needs to be fed. I'll be right back.
the community loves CF's dog Sid. If anyone who's like newer, you know, his dog is a symbol of like his success, and like I need to get some better pics of Sid for CF's Instagram page. But when Sid finally has puppies, I want to have one of the puppies, and I also want to name him Sid. You know, like we'll have Sid Senior and little Sid Junior. Sid Shorts, dude. Oh, that's such a good idea, man. Give CF time. He's CF. You gotta just give people time to grow, but yeah, like that's a good idea, you know. CF being an established champion in the trading space. People want to see what he's about, like, you know, what he's really about, the internals and the personal side. But you're also talking about a man who, you know, to protect his family and protect his business and his well-being, like, you know, was not, like, didn't put himself out there like that. It was always about the results. You know, it doesn't matter what you look like. What matters is your results, you know? And that's one of CF's major truths. So if CF wants to share his personal life, you know, I think that's like a privilege and a blessing if he chooses to do that. But, you know, he's always had a philosophy of privacy, you know, being that we're kind of like, you know, a little more libertarian leaning in some aspects. Like we like our freedom. We are a more laid back company. We always respected privacy. I can't turn my mic up. It's CF has me like turned down on Discord or something, so I'm not super loud.
All right, I'm back.
Turn your shit up. It's not too quiet.
Yeah, I don't want to hear any bitching about volume. I see your voice on the volume thing. It goes all the way to the top here. You should be good. No one else has complained about the volume figure. The volume figure.
Volume figure. What was that guy's name again?
Adam Todd.
Adam Todd. Yeah.
I wonder what that guy's up to. Can you do it?
Can you wrench me real quick, bro, in the chats? I'm not like my name isn't sticking out when I type something. I'm never gonna forget that guy getting like kicked out of that office during that interview with that one Australian guy.
Yep. Man, that shit was hilarious.
Thanks for wrenching me.
Bro, listen, I'm playing the music that I want to play and how I'm feeling. I'm not gonna fucking put on some hard dance shit right now. I just woke up. I'm drinking my coffee. You know.
Something more upbeat, bro. Have you been up all night, man? Like, get some sleep, bro. I'm chilling to this music. I'm on my walking treadmill right now, so I'm active, and this music's working for me.
Did I start with Mills? Hell no, bro. I'm self-made. I had a job and everything. I wasn't giving shit. Self-made is the only way to be made. Formed my own clay. Yeah. B-I-O-K-Y. Can we look at Ripple? Yeah, I hope Ripple's doing all right. Damn, Ripple sucks. Man, especially since those dudes are just raking in hundreds of millions selling, bro. Ripple, there's too many, man. There's like 100 million, 200 million printed every month, and they just fucking sell. I don't know how the price of Ripple's ever supposed to go up when there's so many that are being made and sold. I don't know, man. Ripple was the first cryptocurrency that I heard of, I think, besides Bitcoin. Ripple was the first altcoin. I remember a buddy of mine got in at like 0.02 or some shit. Like 0.2. Ripple was 0.2 or some shit like that. Something 2. Man, I wish that, man, I bet you that dude hopes he still held, man. He'd be fucking a gazillionaire. There is no how much I started with, bro. I just had a job, bro. You know, there wasn't like, I'm starting with $100. I had a job, you know. Started with nothing. Shit. I would, you know, trade and go to work like everybody else, and then fucking eventually I started a YouTube. Learn how to cook like watching YouTube, says Evil Pimp. Evil Pimp likes YouTube. He even streams sometimes on it.
Man, I was just thinking, you know, earlier how it's easier than ever to get started doing this shit, because like you have so many people who walked this path and did it successfully before. The bridges are all built. You can just walk the bridge now. But I remember like back in the day when we started doing this, like the information was much more scant, and just the people involved were so much sketchier. And
Bitcoin didn't do any, like, it would always do opposite of what it was supposed to do with like normal patterns and shit. Like it was all kinds of shit. Now it kind of does what it's supposed to. Like, yeah, man, times have changed.
Yeah, it's like maybe the risk, like the reward isn't as high, but the risk is less, so it's still, it's more worth doing.
This Internet Computer Protocol token looks pretty good. I mean, it's gone up a little bit, but this looks like it's ready to fucking take off, dude. This ICP on the 5-day. What about the weekly? I mean, this thing dumped all the way down from I remember that shit first came out. It was like $1,000, and it came down to $3. Oh my god! Now it's up to 13. Yeah, I like this ICP token. I might have to hold some of this. I need to hold some of this. Man, nobody pays me to promote or nothing. I use numerous exchanges, man. I got all the exchanges. I use them. I don't have no contracts with nobody. How did I come up with the name Market Cipher? It just sounded good. Just market something.
I love the name Market Cipher.
Me too.
And I love our logo. Some guy in the support email one time called it Marky Cyber, and that shit always stuck with me, man. Like, it's so ingrained in people's minds that it's just the Marky Cyber, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this tool's been around a long time now, man. We're OGs now. We're not flopping gropers anymore. We got multiple degrees in this shit.
How's this crow token? Let's get to crow. Man, crow looks just like ICP. It looks like the same. Yeah, it came down a hell of a lot. I remember I had $1 million worth of crow token, and I told myself I was going to hold it through the bear market. Boo! Thank God I did not. I'm about to sneeze. Okay, it went away. Look up pulse chain. Bro, pulse chain's impossible to pull up on a fucking chart. There's so many different damn things. I just go to gopulse.com. It's up 51% from the SAT price. Yeah, dude, pulse is I can't look that shit. There's a million fucking it's up. I just go to gopulse.com. It's up 51% for the SAT price. Yeah, I can look up Cardano. I can look up some shit coins here, people, I guess. Man, these all look the same. Dude, I feel like these all look the same. Dude, on the 5-day and the weekly, they look like they're just setting up to keep on going. I mean, they just had a little run, they're taking a break, and it looks like they're about to go again. Cardano looks good on the higher time frames. They all look the same. Oh, another protocol token. Injective protocol. What the fuck does that mean? This thing's done nothing but go up over time. What the hell is this? Injective protocol.
It got
It's
injected.
an incubator. The protocol.
It's on trend. They're juicing.
Zen. Oh, this looks like shit. Wow, this is the first coin that looks like shit. Even though it's like already at 0, it doesn't look like this looks horrible. Unless you just get lucky. I mean, you might get lucky here. You might get lucky, but I don't know about this one.
Nah, dude, fuck that. I'm dealing with a little stream delay, but that Zen chart looked pretty bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You don't just want to buy the dip. Like you buy strength after the dip. You want to see something, you know?
Yeah. I mean, maybe it's. I mean, if everything's going up, I mean, then everything's gonna go up, you know. But I'll pull up this stupid Tia coin that I lost $5 grand on. This looks like shit too. Yeah, fuck this coin. Doge looks weird. Doge looks kind of weird. I mean, it looks like it might come up. Money flow's kind of coming up a little bit, but yeah, this actually looks okay. VWAP's coming up here. The yellow waves curving up right here. Doge looks like it's probably got a little something coming here too. Yeah, Doge doesn't look bad. Just had a nice pump. It's consolidated. It's curving back up. Doge looks good. But it's on the, on the weekly, Man, I'm telling you, dude, it's time to fucking buy and hold. Which reminds me, actually, that's right. I gotta cut you a check, brethren. But,
thank you, man. Yeah, that'll help me handle some fangs.
Yeah, this looks good.
I got some gifts for you.
We already looked up oil. Oil looks like she's got a good 20% in her in at least a couple months, and then even potentially higher if it continues to go. Hang on, I'll be right back.
Yo, so if you guys want some market cipher trading motivation, go ahead and follow my YouTube channel and my Instagram. It's Nick Cipher. And, a lot of the lessons that I talk about they're CF's lessons. And like the videos that I've been making on my VWAP strategy and all that stuff, a lot of this is stuff that, I learned intuitively by watching CF and like back testing Market Cipher and being the other guy like behind Market Cipher this whole time. And so, at a certain point I realized like it's a big responsibility that I had, that I have before me to step into this like role as the other guy. So I love doing the motivational stuff. Because I'm a big fan of David Goggins and a lot of the motivational figures that we have these days. And I think crypto and trading is definitely like a faith vacuum. Like there's not a lot of hope. Not many people succeed. And, just my read of the markets and the sentiment, shows a dire need for just some simple motivation, some basic, like foundational, like truth in reference to trading. And I've been trying my best to back that up with like real meat and potatoes. Like, so I do have my own strategy that got me through the ETH bull run of 2021. But yeah, so go ahead and follow Nick Cipher on IG and YouTube. And you can follow my journey too. But yeah, it's always been my job to kind of fill in the gaps. Like, CF inspires you to pull the trigger, to chase your dreams, and like he shows you what trading can lead towards. But a lot of the times when you want those deeper answers, a lot of people have come to people like me or to other educators, like other MC educators like Jason Casper, and there's many others as well. But if you guys follow the entire MC fam on YouTube and you just unfollow everything else, unfollow Tim Pool and all these like random voices that you've followed for the last 10 years or whatever you got on your, like, clean up your YouTube feed and get focused and get serious about trading, because I talked to a lot of people in the last year and people like feel like there's not many opportunities left. Like we are on the Titanic, you know what I'm saying? And like eventually that boat's gonna sink, and like you want to be one of the people on the lifeboats. So learning how to trade and when the time is right for you to actually swing, like are you actually going to be on the exchange like ready to go, or have you just been watching us as an observer? Like what happens when it's your time to take that crack, to take that, to like hit that home run? The reality is that if you decide that you want to trade, it's not that simple. It's like it takes a month to go from I want to trade to okay, I'm trading now. You know, like it's harder than ever to start trading. So make sure you guys are set up and you're in the booster seat, or at least you got that booster seat set up so you can get in the cockpit when you're needed. Trading is hard, bro. You know, I think it's important, you know, the way CF markets trading as anyone can do it. I think that's important because how do you inspire anyone to get into anything if you don't, you know, say that you can do this too, bro? But that stems from the fact that my brother and I believe that there is a champion and there's a hero in all of us. Not that most people can successfully unlock, you know, becoming the man. But if you don't think you can, then you never will. So the reality though is that trading is hard. And that's what I hope to like dig into with my trading motivation stuff. I'm not saying that like you should cry to succeed. You need to cry to succeed at trading. You know, a lot of the stuff I talk about is my struggle, you know, as CF's brother, and like my, you know, my story, which is, you know, I got my shit that I went through. But trading is hard. And you can find yourself in dark places in trading, like in your trading career. And then a good year will happen, and then it's like everything gets erased and you're redeemed, and like this is the trading life. Makes me want to like single-manly tear, because I think about the dark places I've been to in trading, and then the redemption and like the hero's journey aspect of it all. Just happy to be here still, stronger than ever.
Yeah, you know, the every hero's journey starts with the fall. I stole your line on the videos for the ETF when the ETF came out and it dumped. I used it a couple times. I used it on Twitter in videos.
I saw that ETF dump as a prime opportunity to teach a lesson, and yeah, it was that hero's journey aspect. You know, anytime anyone or anything says that they're gonna do something,
out. Imagine not taking profits, little motherfucker. You wish you were on our level, man. Get the fuck out of here, bro. This ain't shit. That's the difference between you and me, bro. This ain't shit.
Look what you did, you little jerk.
Get the fuck out of my channel and chat. Banned. I banhammered him. Banhammered him. I didn't mean to interrupt what you were saying.
Oh, it's okay, man. I do the yin yang shit. I think that's what people love. Like, we got to do more of these streams, for sure.
I mean, I've been streaming. You know, I come and go. I
wasn't saying anything about you. I was saying that about me. I need to show up more. So if you guys get me to 1K subs, I'll go live. I've been saying to my community, if you guys get me to 1K, I will go live, and I'm doing a 1K giveaway. And for some reason, you guys like don't want to do the giveaway. So I've been at like 900 something subs for a little too long. So yeah, I mean, you guys could fix that if you want to. It's actually grown pretty organically. I never got stuck at any one point. It's actually just been steadily growing. And I like being underrated. Like I could have easily just used the Market Cypher YouTube channel to like you know, pop off for myself, but those videos are for Market Cipher, and those are for my brother. So I felt a calling to like start from zero and like step into the shoes of one of these MC educators myself, and that's helped me a lot understand my role for all you guys. I've been humbled by the markets and by starting my new YouTube channel. And I like being underrated, and I'm gonna miss these days where I can have real conversations with everybody involved. You know,
yeah, you know, it's always
the
easier
Gropers
kind of
come-
being the underdog. It's when you become the overdog, when you have to like hold up expectations. You know, it's always easier being, you know, like the underrated guy, but it's harder when you're supposed to do what is expected of you. You know what I'm saying? It says that someone said you're at 1K subs now. You must have gotten, I don't know what you were at before the stream. What were you at before the stream? 800?
Oh yeah, I mean I was at 940 or something, so like I'm definitely over 1K.
Didn't
Just
know.
by
See, I've
popping
had a
on the
brother.
stream here.
That's how long you've been gone. He just took a little hiatus for almost a year. Like
It was
he's
just
been, you know,
a
hiatus.
mental health year, but
Mental.
yeah, man, I've been here since the beginning, man. The crypto nursery rhymes, CF's like first tutorials that were made on MC. And I was there during multiple pops in, like, I mean, in the last 4 years or so, or 5 years or so, like 40 million people became their own private investor for themselves, and like they went online, they went to YouTube and shit to like self-teach themselves. And my brother and I were at the heart of that, and like we had our big Discord with everyone from fighters to 14-year-old kids to grandmas, all this shit, like just coming into this Discord and like just wanting to be taught trading. And yeah, my brother and I saw all that shit, and that gave me experience, like talking to traders that you would never get like just going to school for this shit. Like nothing's ever gonna beat the amount of wisdom that I've obtained simply by talking to so many people and seeing so much, you know, seeing my brother close his $1 million trades and shit, and like going through all that. You know, and those big trades come at a cost too. Mentally, the mental ramifications of trades that big can reverberate for years to come, and yeah, it's just a lot to take.
Yeah, I
in.
have a
Growth.
Twitch now. You know, ever since I made that $2 million on that trade,
Yeah.
once in a while, my
Growth
hopefully I'm
can be
not
as
holding the
hard.
coffee. You know,
Yeah, you're all gacked out and shit, you know. But yeah, like you can't lose faith in your strategy just because like your position sizes aren't as big as they used to be. You know, you can't imagine if you know, a celebrity just constantly lived in the shadow of their old fame. Like they would get depressed and probably start doing drugs and fucking kill themselves. Like you can't have this version of this previous self that you think is better than the current you. Like it's always about learning how to regrow, and like you know, that's the great conundrum of the trading journey, you know.
yeah. We're working on it. Listen, the price is going to go up and down. You know, I mean, it's really, you have to decide, what is this trade? Is it swanging or slanging, you know? And to be honest, I mean, I closed my last trade on accident, 100%. I would have still been in that shit, added to it, and even had a much lower entry. So it's like I gotta build that cushion up. I am bullish, and fuck, who cares if it comes back down? You know what I'm saying? I mean, we just plowed. Everyone thought 50K was gonna be this big mental mark, and I mean, look what happened. We've already been, you know, fucking here, let me see here. It really was 43,000, 43, 44. That was the real 50K. The next 50K is 57,000. That's the real 50K. The hard numbers are never what people think it is. It's never what people think it is. We were at 43,000, 44 for months. For months, this is, okay, weekly candle, what are the 10 weeks? Let me see. The 9 weeks, the 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. But it's definitely, it's harder to take profits when you're used to, when you've done bigger things and shit. But again, 50K is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. You put $50,000 of cash in front of you. That's a lot of cash. This is a motherfucker's salary for a year, And so it's one thing to be like, you might want to take some profit. It's another to be a little douche and be like, imagine, motherfucker. You imagine, you wish you lived my life.
Yeah,
you're here watching me.
Nerd thing to say.
You watching me.
Say, imagine.
Imagine.
Yeah. At a certain point, we stopped imagining.
Fuck your imagination, bro. That's right. We do the real shit. You can sit there and think and imagine all you want to, bro. Imagining is for kids.
Imagination. You gotta use your imagination.
I know that's what we think of now, SpongeBob. I think of tricks is for kids. And imagination. SpongeBob. Motherfucker.
I have a dream. I wanna be like you one day, CF.
Anyone who says imagine is a Reddit little bundle of sticks, if you get what I'm saying.
That was a good one, bro. That was a good, that was short quality rant right there by the two of us.
I didn't mean to cut you off. I know. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it was great. It was a perfect Venn diagram of why we both don't like that pencil neck. That's always been our thing on your channel. That's always been your thing is roasting the pencil necks.
Yeah, that's what keeps everyone on their toes. It's entertainment. You can't sit here and be all positive. You know what's kind of annoying, though? Is when someone's like finally like they're at a new job and they're all about the grind and positivity and shit. It's like, motherfucker, you haven't even made it yet. Just keep shit to yourself, bro. Like, you're fucking working your job. I understand you're on your laptop and shit. On the grind, positivity. We're on the grind. You're on the grind for somebody else. Start your own goddamn business, and then I'll tell you, you won't be talking about the grind and fucking positivity all the time. You got shit, you got taxes, you got fucking payroll, you got matching hard. Social security.
Yeah, man, shit's really hard, man. When you start trying to do your own thing, people copy you. Everyone will just like chooses you to. Well, not everybody, You find out who your real friends are, because a lot of people will dedicate you to be a loser, and that's just what they want, and that's just what they are hoping for, for nothing other than jealousy or competition or whatever. I think it's kind of weird. I never cheered on anyone's downfall. Even if it was like partially or mostly their fault. Like,
yeah,
people are allowed to, overcorrect in life and take that extra plunge into the abyss. Like, if they can come up from that and show strength and like you see the signs of like them bullish diverging, like that can often be the best time to invest in someone. And yeah, like I believe in second chances and all that shit. Obviously, you want to choose carefully, who you invest in, but then you invest aggressively. You really believe in people.
I tell you, I'm done investing. I'm done investing. I'm only investing in my fucking self and like real estate shit that I can see. If you come up with some money and people are offering you investments, don't do it. No more. Don't invest in someone else's shit because, man, I'll tell you, don't invest. Only invest in yourself, in shit you can control, because the chances of you getting a check back from some shit that you invested in is so small. And even if it's successful, then it takes a long time. Invest in yourself. Don't invest in anything else. I've learned my lesson. Don't come to CF with any business opportunities. I don't want them. Yeah, ego's really annoying too. Oh man, ego's annoying too, man. I'm telling you, guys that shitcoin, people that made up a shitcoin or some shit, and they just, I don't want to, I hear you.
Yeah, man. The space is full of people who pretend like they got it all figured out, and they're the shit, and oh, look how polished I am, look how great I am, and you use the shit that they offer, and it's equal to or worse, than everyone else's shit. So just because other people are good at hiding their shit, doesn't mean that they ain't got shit going on, and you can see it spilling through the cracks every now and then. That's what's most funny, is when you can see it in their eyes. You can't even hide it because it's in your fucking eyeballs.
Who are the worst people to invest in? 30, 40-year-old men. Because, boy, they just vacuum it all up. And, boy, is it hard to get anything back. And anyone who tells you that they're, like, running out of time, or, like, you have to do it quickly. Like, oh, but you have to do it by then. Okay, fuck off. Anyone who's looking for an investment and gives you a strict time, just say thank you, no thank you. Invest in your damn self. Buy a fucking house instead and Airbnb that shit. That's my next move. I want an Airbnb.
Look at these pencil necks in the chat. The most egotistical person talking about ego. What have you done for anyone else, bro? What have you done for other people? Nothing, bro.
I'm egotistical?
You don't know us, bro. Success doesn't mean ego. In fact, usually it's the opposite. The most successful people I've ever met were the most observant of others and the most helpful to other people. CF doesn't have to come on here and say anything to any of you people. So get your head out of your ass, bro.
Being excited like over a win, that's not being ego. Being like, woohoo, yeah, we kicked that, let's fucking go, we did it again. Yeah, like being happy is not an ego thing. Like, I don't go on Twitter or YouTube and target other people when they're down. I don't fucking say that oh, your fucking system sucks, you should trade mine, bro. Egotistical, man. You can test these nuts, bro. Test my nuts.
You fall down into your sack, bro, and then you gotta sack up. Sack down and sack up.
Egotistical. I mean, give me a break. Shit, I just won back-to-back of the crypto wars. I fucking beat 10 people twice in both seasons I was on the champion, back-to-back champion. I said, you guys were good competition? They were. I didn't say, oh, yeah, I'm better than y'all. It was, oh. Shit.
Good job on that trading competition, by the way, man. That was to come back from the gulag. You were like in the hot seat, like for 3 episodes or some shit, and then you just came back and won. That was hilarious.
Thanks, man. I know,
That's
bro. I
not a
went into the
coincidence.
gulag. Had to go against Alex O'Crypto, who was trading on fire. You may have a comment, Airbnb rentals. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm gonna need. You know, I'm gonna need I want an Airbnb because I know how much those guys kill it, man. I need to Airbnb. Thank you, brethren. Let's go, baby. We're back at 51,959. Hopefully, she takes another runaway. Imagine.
You longed resistance, bro. Yeah.
Am I telling people on Discord when I enter? Sometimes, and sometimes no. This ain't no signal shit. You have everything. Market Cipher is better than Crypto Face. Sometimes I do. But if you put out a trade signal for tens of thousands of people, you know, you want to make sure it's a good one. And to be honest, January was a little rocky for me. So, yes and no. But if you buy Market Cipher just to get trade signals from me, you're going to be let down.
You gotta have a good relationship with boundaries, with the community and all that. That's all important. And when you're someone that's as big as CF, your words have weight and can affect other people's strategies. So CF has learned, you know, not to just fire random shit off. Like he's looking out for his community. And yeah, it's about having that healthy boundary, teaching people how to fish, not just giving them fish.
And once in a while, you know, there's it comes and goes. It comes in waves. There'll be like waves and like weeks of when I'm fucking chopping wood and I'm putting out signals. Then there's waves of, you know, when I'm not. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, it's like getting in the trenches. Like, you can't be expected to be in the trenches, you know, all the time. Like, eventually you get promoted to lieutenant, and then, you know, and then next thing you know, you're a commander. It's not your job to be in the trenches anymore, but also like to have respect of your troops. You know, you still got to be in good shape and demonstrate an ability to get in those trenches and execute. So yeah, when the time is right for my bro to trade and to share, he will.
Boy, it's nice having a hype man on the stream again, bro. We used to stream together all the time, man. All the time. And then you left for a long time. It's nice having someone saying so many nice things about you.
Well, you know, for a long time, I fucking hated your ass, bro. I didn't even want to come on here.
What are you fucking talking about?
No, it was never like that. You know, the difference between like me and CF is like we're blood brothers and we actually love each other. We're not like other, you know, projects or things going on out there where you've seen bear markets tear them apart, and it's sad to see, man. You know, so yeah, I'm grateful that I get to like be in this industry like with my own blood. In a space like crypto, it's like it's so hard to find people to trust, and it was hard. It was impossible to find people to trust when we got started. Partly why like I stepped up to do what I did when I started with you, bro. And at a certain point, like I started spinning my wheels and not really going anywhere because my eyes were open to the immense job that I had taken on for you. Like I've had to grow into this role. It's like big shoes to fill, bro. You know, mentally.
I hear ya. I hear ya.
But my perspective is the perspective of the chat. You know, following in your footsteps, seeing what you've been doing, applying it to my own strategy, staying the course, learning how to snip the shit bags and fight back against the pencil necks.
Yeah.
Does it bother me that my brother is the mastermind? No, it does not.
Nah, man, you know how much shit my brother has done for. He was my right-hand man. Like, I mean, just because he was gone for like 7 or 8 months, like, I don't know, there's a lot of shit that was forgotten. I think there's a bunch of shit that you've done that we forgot. You know what I'm saying? And so you just took a little hiatus. That's all. That's all.
Yeah, just because you don't see someone publicly doesn't mean they're not still there, like getting shit done. There's a lot of aspects of MC I was handling for my bro. You know. I've always been here. You know, you just gotta excuse me for changing forms. I'm someone who changes forms physically and
yeah,
mentally.
you've done that. You've done that like 3 or 4 times in your life where you literally changed forms. So have I, though. I've been told I've done that before too. Yeah, we both kind of changed forms, but yeah, you've had a form change. You had a Dragon Ball Evolution Super Saiyan shit.
Yeah, dude, it's like the Magikarp turning into the Gyarados for sure.
Yeah,
like,
you've
like
evolved. You've evolved.
See, that's my conundrum, Clips, is I don't drive a Rari. I drive a BMW. You know, there was definitely, I'm not going to deny that that's a hurdle for me in my role to overcome. Being congratulatory and happy for CF's success and, like, all that shit is so important, bro. Like, if you're ever working with someone or you know someone who's doing it, there's no room for animosity there or jealousy.
It'll ruin everything.
None of that. At all. It's like a cancer.
I barely even drive the motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, who gives a fuck?
And also,
Ferrari
it doesn't
change you. Like, none of this shit's changed us.
The car, you're not, how intelligent you are and what you have to bring to the table is not dictated by what car you drive.
You are not the car you drive. You are not the fucking, you are the ever singing, dancing shit in the world.
Not about fucking, if that was the case, CF, the OG original CF would have never popped off. The Ferrari is the end result. That's not the requirement. That's his reward for the hard work and the time put in. That's not what made CF successful. If anything, it's the lessons from, you know, that monk who sold his Ferrari book, like shit like that. It's living in depravity and having no excess, and removing the things that are distracting you from obtaining your success. That is a completely valid angle to hit trading and to be a personality in the trading space. You don't need to have a fucking Ferrari.
What up, Honest? Man, how you been, brother? I hope you've been well. I know you've been well, man. Appreciate the super chat. Goes to charity. Also, I see you, rug pull guru. You've been spitting facts, bro. I've been seeing what you're saying. Hope you've been good, Honest. How long have we been streaming for? I do have important shit I have to do today. It's fucking Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I've been walking on the treadmill this whole time, man.
Damn.
This is why the walking treadmill is so OP, because while you guys are all sitting down, like slowly turning into pencil necks, I'm actually like on the way up passively. So that's a big swing, right? That's the difference between a loss and a win. That's not like neutral.
Just because
so
we're sitting down
I'm
doesn't
winning.
mean we're pencil necks,
I'm
okay?
You guys are losing and I'm winning over here.
Yeah,
Physically,
fuck outta here.
IRL. Yeah, you know.
No, I'm happy for you. You're walking on the treadmill. That's good. They say walking is the best thing it's the best thing you can do for your health is walk. But
my balls are getting hairier doing this shit, and that means the trades should, in theory, be getting scarier. So.
Checkmate Podcast. Thank you for the donation. Goes to charity. I'll pull it up and check it out. I'll take a look at it here. But we're gonna close the stream, bro. I got important shit I gotta do today, and I gotta get on it because yesterday I procrastinated and I went to sleep. But I got shit I gotta do today. But thank you everyone for being here. Thank you, brethren. And that's pretty much it.
All right. God bless, guys.
All right.